Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of EveryAI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. Did you know that each AI model out there will charge you extra to use their stuff for clients? Yup, that's their way of putting their hands in your pocket one last time, and grabbing whatever they can. But that's not the case with EveryAI. EveryAI comes with a free commercial license that will give you 100% ownership of anything you generate with it. You can use it in your business. Use it for your clients. Sell it in any marketplace. Do whatever you want with it. It's yours 100%. Heck, our members use that license to make loads of money. He hesitated a bit to join our family. And understandably though, he has been burnt before from many programs and shiny objects. But finally, he decided to pull the trigger and joined us. He didn't have any previous experience or knowledge. Heck, he never used ChatGPT before, other than asking it to generate some jokes. Just so he can feel like part of this new wave of technology. But after he joined us, he quickly went to the training section, where we explain everything in huge detail. It took him like 10 minutes or so to grasp everything. Yeah, EveryAI is that simple. He decided to go the Fiverr route. He didn't have an existing business, nor did he want to start a new one. He quickly signed up to Fiverr. Created a few gigs. Offering stuff that EveryAI generates for him. Websites, funnels, 3D box shot, talking avatar, influencer video, e-com store, logos, motion videos, articles, chatbot, graphics, and tons more. And he showcased some of the stuff he generated with EveryAI on his brand new account. He clicked publish and went to bed. Even though his account was brand new, with no history or reviews. Clients couldn't resist the quality he showcased in his gig. Not just that, since everything is done for him with EveryAI in seconds. His delivery time was incredible. In just a few hours, his account got flooded with orders. If you think James is unique, or that he did something that no one else can replicate, you are outrageously mistaken. Hundreds of our members are dominating Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com and all similar marketplaces. And enjoying hundreds of dollars in pure profit. A subscription to ChatGPT costs $20/month. Jasper. $49/month. Canva Pro. $13/month. Claude. $30/month. Microsoft Copilot. $30/month. Midjourney. $60/month. Google Gemini. $60/month. Leonardo Pro. $229/month. Add it up. It's thousands of dollars a year. This sucks, because you need all of them because each one brings a different thing to the table. And for a beginner, it's a lot of money. But with EveryAI you access all of these and more for free forever. Save your money for what matters while enjoying unlimited creativity.